Today, I want to share an issue I experienced with my recently purchased 2024 Yamaha AR195S that left me stranded for hours on the lake. Hopefully this video saves someone else from a stressful day on the water. Everything started after a normal day of boating. We pulled up to a shallow sandy shoreline to take a short break and grab some refreshments. The boat was running perfectly before we beached it. Here you can see we beached it. When I tried starting the engine, the display powered on, but the engine would not crank. A few seconds later, the Connext display showed a Transducer Communication Failure message. At first I thought it was an electrical problem, a dead battery, or even a failed sensor. Fortunately, that wasn't the case. After inspecting the boat, I focused on the reverse gate located at the jet pump on the back of the boat. Because I had beached the boat on a shallow sandy area, I suspected sand or small rocks may have become trapped around the reverse bucket mechanism. I manually pushed the reverse gate back and forth several times using my hands. As I continued moving it, I noticed small rocks and debris falling out from around the mechanism. Once the reverse gate began moving freely again, I went back to the helm. Immediately, the shift lever moved normally from reverse to neutral, and the engine started without any issues. So what actually happened? The reverse gate had become mechanically jammed by debris. Because the gate couldn't return to the neutral position, the boat's neutral safety system prevented the engine from starting. So, if your Yamaha JetBoat gets stuck in reverse after operating in shallow water, 1. Turn the engine off. 2. Inspect the reverse gate at the jet pump. 3. Remove any visible rocks, shells, weeds, or debris. 4. Carefully move the reverse gate back and forth by hand until it moves smoothly. 5. Return to the helm and verify that the shift lever now moves freely into neutral. 6. Try starting the engine again.